There's something magical about fresh, warm naan. Soft, pillowy, brushed with melted butter and flecked with garlic. The aroma alone fills your kitchen with comfort and anticipation. This isn't just bread, it's a warm hug on a plate. Naan is the perfect companion to curries, soups, or even on its own. Making naan at home sounds daunting, but it's surprisingly simple. No fancy equipment, just a frying pan and a few basic ingredients. The process is forgiving. Each naan will have its own rustic charm. You don't need perfection, just enthusiasm and a bit of flour on your hands. The reward? Tearing into your own homemade naan, still warm and buttery. Let's dive in and turn a handful of humble ingredients into something special. Imagine scooping up a spicy curry or simply enjoying naan fresh from the pan. Simple pleasures are often the best. This isn't just a recipe, it's an invitation to create comfort at home. So, come with me into the kitchen. Let's make some magic together. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. The cast for our naan. For the dough, plain flour, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of active dry yeast, a pinch of salt, half a cup of plain yogurt, and warm water. For the topping, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, finely minced, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and a handful of chopped fresh coriander. That's it. No complicated shopping list. Most of these are probably already in your kitchen. The yogurt gives the naan its signature softness. The garlic, butter, and coriander make it irresistible. If you prefer, swap coriander for parsley. Having everything measured and ready makes the process smooth. It's a small act of kindness to your future self. So, line up your ingredients. Take a moment to appreciate their simplicity. This is the start of something delicious. With just a few basics, you're ready to make naan at home. Let's move on to the dough. The magic begins now. Time to make the dough. In a large bowl, combine flour, sugar, yeast, and salt. Whisk together, then make a well in the center. Add yogurt and warm water. Think bath temperature, not hot. Mix with a spoon or your hands until a shaggy dough forms. Knead on a floured surface for about 5 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover, and let it rise in a warm spot for an hour. It should double in size. This is where the pillowy texture comes from. While the dough rests, melt butter and stir in minced garlic and chopped coriander. Set the garlic butter aside. The kitchen will start to smell amazing. This process is simple, rhythmic, and satisfying. No need for perfection, just enjoy the transformation. The dough's rest is crucial for that soft, airy naan. Soon you'll be ready to cook. Take a breath and enjoy the anticipation. Homemade naan is just a few steps away. Let's get cooking. After an hour, your dough is ready, soft and risen. Punch it down, then divide into 6 or 8 pieces. Roll each into a ball, then flatten into a teardrop or oval shape. Don't worry about perfect shapes. Rustic is beautiful. Heat a heavy frying pan or skillet over medium-high. No oil needed, just a hot, dry pan. Place a naan in the pan. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until bubbles form. Flip and cook the other side until golden and charred in spots. As soon as it's done, brush generously with garlic butter. The heat will melt the butter and release the garlic's aroma. Keep finished naan warm under a tea towel as you cook the rest. Repeat with remaining dough. The process is quick and deeply satisfying. Soon you'll have a stack of warm, garlicky naan. The kitchen will smell incredible. Time to serve. And there it is, a stack of homemade garlic naan, warm and inviting. Bring them to the table and let everyone tear off a piece. Naan is perfect with curries, soups, or even as a base for quick pizzas. Try it with chicken tikka masala, lentil dal, or your favorite stew. You can customize your naan. Add nigella seeds, sesame, or even green chilies to the garlic butter. The recipe is a starting point. Make it your own. There's nothing like naan fresh from your own pan. It turns a simple meal into a feast. The effort is small, but the reward is huge. Homemade naan brings comfort and a little magic to your table. Don't be intimidated. Just enjoy the process. Share it with friends and family. Savor every bite. Happy cooking. Until next time.